Just before the fourth beta of version 18.4 was released, this developer-only version isn't available to everyone, just beta testers and devs. In this version, I'll cover new features and additions, plus fixes for many issues in 18.4 beta 4. I'll also discuss device and battery performance and release date. As usual, please like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for new videos. First thing to note is the update size. About 704 MB, though it varies by device. The main addition is a modem firmware update to fix network issues, Wi-Fi connections, and 4G/5G networks. This addresses Wi-Fi calling problems that users, especially in the US, reported. It also fixes some RC services on Google Fi for subscribers. The build number for this version ends with I, while the previous one ended with A. Here it ends with A, meaning we might only see the RC version next. I think we'll see it on the 21st, God willing. It's expected that we might see the RC version, or if changed, we might see beta 5. But if the next RC is released, we'll likely see the official version in early April. If changed and we saw beta 5, it's expected the situation would be different, as we'd still see RC in early April. Now, regarding changes in this version, remember the back tap or back press feature showing a banner at the top? It was added in the first beta, but sadly removed in beta 4, along with its activation option in settings, then ease of use, then touch selection. The back press feature showing the banner is gone. This feature is no longer available in this version. That's the main change I noticed. In this version, although there were a few fixes for existing errors and problems that many have complained about in the recent period, particularly in the beta version, 3rd and beta number 2, one of which were specific issues existing in the notification center, which you might notice that when people opened it, the notification center, you used to scroll down or go down, but unfortunately, you wouldn't show the notifications below or those that disappeared, so you had to restart the device or leave the notification center so that the notifications appear with you a second time. It was resolved in this version, especially as well as choosing the violin for the notification center. When you open the notification center, you would find that the image times the notification of the application overlaps with the notification. You feel that there is such a confusing requirement when the notification appears. The notification was also corrected in this version. There was also an issue with the search results. Inside the settings application, there was, when you go to search for something specific, he used to say, for example, it shows you that no results were found, but seconds later shows you the result of the application or the thing you are looking for. There was a delay. And in this problem, there was a problem. It was also solved in this problem. There was a problem for the devices with the island. The interactive feature supporting Dynamic Island wasn't showing up when screen recording. It didn't appear in the first version, but wasn't visible in the interactive island either. This issue was resolved in iOS 1.8.4, along with a new AI-related feature for summarizing notifications linked to Apple's AI. This feature is still available, but Apple hasn't enabled it for news apps yet due to some issues. I've noticed the notification center still has some bugs when expanding or opening grouped notifications. It feels a bit sluggish. Despite claims of fixing lag issues in the previous version, I'm still noticing these problems, and there are some lingering issues in the control center as well. Let me also mention that I saw a related problem reported on Reddit when